A message to men: the ladies want you to know these things. Certainly, here's a message to men about things that many women would like them to know. We value respect. Treat us with respect, just as you would want to be treated. Respect our boundaries, our opinions, and our choices. Listen actively. We appreciate it when you actively listen to us. Sometimes, we need to talk about our feelings and experiences, and it's great when you're there to listen and provide support. Empathy matters. Show empathy and understanding. Try to put yourself in our shoes and acknowledge our feelings and perspectives. Communication is key. Open and honest communication is crucial. We want you to express your thoughts and feelings, and we also want to do the same. Let's have meaningful conversations. We are not a monolith. Understand that women are diverse in their beliefs, interests, and backgrounds. Don't stereotype or make assumptions based on gender. Consent is non-negotiable. Always ask for and respect consent in all situations. Consent should be enthusiastic, clear, and freely given. Support our goals. Encourage and support our aspirations and ambitions. Just as you have your dreams, we have ours, and it's wonderful when you're there to cheer us on. Avoid objectification. We are not defined solely by our physical appearance. Appreciate our intellect, personality, and individuality. Be a partner, not a savior. In a relationship, be a partner, not a savior. We don't need you to save us. We want an equal and supportive partner in life. Respect our independence. Many of us value our independence and autonomy. It's important to respect our need for personal space and time. Acknowledge gender inequality. Understand that gender inequality still exists in various forms. Being aware of this and supporting gender equality initiatives is appreciated. Celebrate our achievements. Celebrate our accomplishments, no matter how big or small. Just as you appreciate recognition for your achievements, so do we. We are strong and capable. Don't underestimate our strength and capabilities. We can handle challenges and make our own decisions. Learn and grow together. Relationships are a journey of growth and learning. Let's learn and grow together, supporting each other in the process. Be kind and patient. Kindness and patience go a long way. We appreciate your kindness in your words and actions, and we also ask for patience in understanding our complexities. Remember that women, like men, are individuals with their own unique needs, desires, and experiences. Treating them with kindness, respect, and equality is a foundation for building healthy and meaningful relationships.